Hello,
Hi,
how are you today?
I am fine. How are you?
I am good, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Abdul Rafi. What is your name?
My name is Aisha.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan. And you?
I am from Karachi.
Oh, Karachi is a big and beautiful city.
Yes, it is. Where do you live?
I live in Lahore.
Do you study or work?
I am a student. And you?
I am a student too.
What do you study?
I study English. What about you?
I study English and computer science.
That's great. Do you like English?
Yes. I like English very much. Do you like it?
Yes, I do. I want to speak English fluently.
Me too. Let's practice every day.
Good idea. Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like storybooks.
I like storybooks too. Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch English movies to learn.
That's smart. I listen to English songs.
Songs are good for practice.
Do you play any games?
Yes, I play badminton. What about you?
I play football.
Nice sports are healthy.
Yes, they are. Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend is Maria.
That's nice. My best friend is Ahmed.
Do you talk in English with him?
Sometimes, but not always.
We should try to speak more English.
Yes, let's speak in English every day.
Okay, let's do it.
If we practice daily, our English will be very good.
Yes, and one day we will speak fluently.